Hey everybody, I decided to spend a little time going around New York City. So I decided just to tour down the street here and have a look at all the buildings. I'm not exactly a resident, so I'm sightseeing and see what I can see. I don't know, they do make these streets a little on the narrow side for a comfortable drive. So anyway, I was trying to decide, what might I do for entertainment in New York? And tried to think of a few things, like landing in Times Square or something, and just couldn't come up with any great ideas. I thought at one point I might even consider trying to land. When I got a look at things, I saw it's way too rough down there. I'd crash instantly. Anyway, my last video was about playing around on the bridge at Detroit, so I thought I can try one more thing on a bridge. So anyway, I decided I'm going to try and land on this bridge. Maybe what I'll do is I'll try and land on the ramp up, and then I'll try and get up to the top of the bridge where that flag is and see if I can touch it there. Okay, well that's not where I thought I'd be landing. But I'm gonna make it to that flag. Woohoo! Bet you didn't see this coming. Success!